React tools are also available for Firefox. So just open Firefox and then look for add-ons. And you can select the Firefox add-ons from the mozilla.org. And we're going to look for React Developer Tools. Click on Add to Firefox. Click on Add. Now here you can see that it's been added, but it's in gray colors. That means it is not activated yet. So you can go to reactjs main website. Now you can see that React is activated. So in order to check this, you can right click here and click on Inspect. I can minimize this, and here you can see that we have a component section. If I click on this one, I can see the same thing which was available in Chrome. The same thing is available in the Firefox too.